zinakaza. What happened? I suffer, like really suffer from dandruff, and previously nimekuwa nikitumia rosemary water and all those stuff, but right now I'm focusing on something that haina smell mbaya.
How do you not know that you stink?
So first I'm going to create like a mask and then clean my hair and then do my hair, and at the end I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna be taking care of my hair. Okay, let's dive into it.
Really get to it.
Okay, to start you need a few stuff. You need some aloe veras. There are some that are in good condition, others are not. If yours ni chafu, just clean it. You also need a knife and somewhere to collect your stuff. Yeah, this is what we have, and I want to put all the gel inside, and I'm not sure of how to do it, but what I know is I first have to remove these things because they can actually make me need a first aid, and that is not what we are aiming for. Safety first, precaution first. I don't want to use the chopping board because aloe vera is usually so bitter. Oh my god, I hope I'm not scooping out so much. Be sure to make sure that you don't cut yourself. Okay, what we want is this gel, and oh boy, and this one kitumia spoon. Okay, it's not that I'm not gonna use rosemary, but rosemary water nilikuwa naitumia kama like the last thing, like time yenye nisha shuka ndo natumia rosemary, but this time natengeneza like a mask yenye nitatumia before I clean my hair, and I'm gonna pause the video and display the reason why natumia aloe vera for you to see. If you want, take a screenshot and let's get back to the video. I have a lemon, although nilikuwa nimeikata nikatumia kidogo, but I don't know kama bado iko sawa. Na iko na seeds mingi.
I'm a lemon. I am a lemon.
Come on. How many seeds? Oh, damn. What the hell? What the hell are y'all saying? And lastly, we're going to use some vinegar. Nawambia mimi sijui anything. I'm just doing my own stuff here. And I'm just going to use 1 spoon. Let us apply it on our scalp. Okay, I really hope haita react on my skin. But seriously, natural. Okay, the only unnatural thing there is the vinegar. What is this? Is it a dandruff? I'm telling you, my skin is so infested by dandruff. Can you see them? Okay, so I'm gonna time lapse there so that I explain what I was doing. So nilikuwa nafunguanisha each section yenye nimeshuka, and then nina apply directly to my scalp, pole tu kwa scalp, and then I ensure each and every single section and each and every single part of my head imeguzwa na hiyo kitu. And that's all. I did that to each and every single section, and that was it. Okay, I'm done applying. Although sasa kuna yenye imebaki kidogo. So I think nita-apply to like huko tu katikati. Just for it isiende to waste. Niki-apply mara ya kwanza nilikuwa nasikia irritation, but after imekaa siski. Okay, like see everywhere. Sana unaona hapa I think there are some open wounds because nilikuwa najikuna. Naiweka tu hivyo. I stay for a few minutes. Ni relax kwanza mikono and then come clean my hair. So this is the moment of truth. Nasikia joto kwa kichwa, let me just be honest. Nasikia joto, and this is how zinakaza. Inakaa weird. Alafu ndani ni kama imepata maji like ni kama nilikuwa nina steam in a way, I don't know. And hizi ni manini isi nege koyo. Hizi mavitu ni hizo magel like za I think zitatoka nikiosha. Let me go clean the hair and then come back. I don't think I'll take you with me to clean the hair. Who doesn't know how to clean their own hair? Wash my hair. I'm actually from the bathroom and I've been looking for my nafanizi steamer. Let's maintain inaitwaje? You're gonna tafuta like my hair straightener na sioni, like where could I have placed it? Ama niliweka kwa bag. I found it. What about the other hairs? I found what I was looking for. I was looking for this hair straightener and the hair yelibaki. And this is actually not enough. So I'm going to buy 1 braid. Oh my god. I have to ask for more money. God, give me a source of money, please. Okay, I'm not being... Sit na kucommand. Sorry. Oh, bye. Let me straighten the hair and then go buy some hair. Let me show you how I usually do it. Because if I do time lapse, itakuwa so fast that maybe some people, oh my god, it's wet. First thing, I don't need it wet, like wet. No, I don't do that. I ensure it got just damp enough. It's not dry and it's not wet, just damp. Let me find something ya kupanguza. And I'm gonna be using this kakitambaa. It seems sikutoa tu nini vizuri. Oh no, na tuko twingi. Unajua sikuwa najiona nikiosha nywele. Uzuri si eti ni uchafu. It's just the gels. Because I did not use a detangler to detangle my hair. I just used my hand. So I think that's why I miss kutoa vitu kama hizi. By the way, I'm not here to do an tunaitangwa nini aesthetic videos. I'm here to show you the real life, what actually happens. So you have learned that ukiapply hizo vitu zinaweza kosa kutoka like completely. Ukinini nywele ukiziosha zinaweza kosa kutoka. Alafu hii kitu ilikuwa ina backfire last time. I hope haita backfire, haitanisumbua this time. I use ya chini kabisa while starting. Sorry, that's not how I do it. I take the comb. You can comb a little, but okay. I find unaona ningetumia kichana kudetangle zingetoka, but that is the first round. Let me do it for like the whole of this sector, then come back. Okay, now that I'm done with the first setting, I go with the second one the same way. Like 1, 2. Inakwanga a bit silent, but it does the work. I am done with the first one, so that's how I do it. Like, I usually don't like my hair ichomwe na moto sana, so I rarely use the maximum heat. As you can see, the hair is well detangled, and nitaziweka kwa nitaifunga hivyo, and then do the other one, and then I'll be back. Did you guys see that? Oh my god. Guy, what happened? Ni waya hapa, sijui kama mnaona hapa imelipuka. Oh no, now I have to go to a salon. I don't know if I can risk using it again. Nani arutadade denge mebodhera denge niyo. Acha nione kama mmeiona. Okay, mini daredevil. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try kuiwasha tena nione kama itawaka. Okay. Haya. Oh my god. Haya. Ui. Niambia. Haiwaki. Kwisha maneno. Kwisha. Where am I going to get another? Oh my god. Aya, mara ya kwanza nikaikalia. Sasa imelipuka. Wala, ni hapa. Sijui kama mnapaona. Ni hapa. This. Sawa, acha niende salon. Unalipishanga how much? It's been a while since niende salon. Wote tu vitu tuko hapo ni aloe vera. I am back na sisikii kujishuka sasa. Okay, this is how the hair iko. Alafu wameifanya blow dry sana. Oh my god. But it's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'll just study. But kuna rafiki yangu ananiambia niende nimsuke, na plus anataka lines. Lines don't take too much time. Kwanza like nashuka mtu. Wacha nikule niende nimshuke. I'll show you chenye nitamshuka. I hope nitamshuka kitu poa. Fingers crossed, I'll show you. Aya. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to make my hair, and then we are going to make something yenye tutakuwa tunatumia each and every single day on our hair. Stick around. I think the video has become so long, and like a break is actually enough. Not enough, a break is necessary. So click, sijui kwa wapi, click here to watch the video ya nikishuka nywele, or click here to see the video of me making what we shall be using each day on our hair. See you next time. I love you so much. Bye bye.